me. Tell me lies. Humor me. Tell me lies.
She's singing along to Blues Traveler. That's all she knows how to sing from the song.
Okay, now humor me and tell me lies. Look at that bedhead. Say good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. We had quite the night last night. Someone's growing a couple new teeth and decided that she didn't want to sleep. So we were actually just finishing up our morning nap. It is now, I believe, almost noon. Daniel has had a really busy day, and it actually cooled down a lot last night. Thankfully, it's still really sunny and beautiful outside, so we're gonna see if we can still run a couple errands and get things done today. But for now,
hi everyone. So, while the rest of the family goes off and has lunch, again, I am home. Alone. Again. Sucks to work while you're on what could be considered a vacation. I mean, not that I don't like my job. I actually like my job quite a bit. But, like, you see everyone else going to have fun. And I'm pretty sure you wish you can go with them to go see that. But Olivia left the camera here. You would have just watched her and her family eat. And I don't think they want to be on the vlog, which, hey, no offense. So it would have just been a really, like, a close-up of Olivia eating, and that's about it. It's a gorgeous day. Not a cloud in the sky. Nice lake in the back. Nice big porch to hang out on. Problem is, it's freaking cold. Like, colder than I enjoy. Two problems, actually. One, Olivia, I think, has my jacket in the car they took, so even if I wanted to do anything. But two, why would I do anything on my own? Why would I just walk around here on my own? Yeah, it's 49 degrees outside. Or 52 degrees outside. Even still, it's 52 degrees outside. I will show you, however, I showed this on the way in, but the front porch is quite nice. So, nice big swing there. I mean, it's a lovely neighborhood. We love it here. That's why I'm over here so often. But, oh, package. So, I mean, it's really nice. We're here often-ish. It's where we come for Christmas. It's her parents own a vacation home that they rent out. And we take advantage of it whenever it's not rented out, like the slow seasons, like now, because who's going to come to Florida to go to the beach in 50-degree weather? This is the entertainment you have for the day. I know they all went to lunch and there was like a promise, like, oh, I'll bring you something back. But they went to like a Mexican place, which is delicious. But at the same time, all I could probably have is like the innards of a burrito. And who wants a burrito without the tortilla? Just pour it out of my mind. Talking to myself. Talking to myself and our like 4 viewers. Hi viewers. Hi Tachi. How are you? It's my sister. She watches. So I'm officially done with work. I mean, I literally have nothing to do. So I'm probably gonna do some extra work just because I have the time and there's no one here. I'm just looking at my calendar, and every time I'm like, oh yeah, today looks like a pretty light day, like 5 more things pop up on my calendar. Today is not a light day. Tomorrow, equally not light. But I'm gonna make a point to get as much as I can done early, and that way I can do more on the vlog, but most importantly, I can do more with my wife and my little baby. Liv came through in a big way. In a big way. It's really good. It's like a pork bowl with like a bunch of cheese, lettuce, onions. A whole keto-friendly option. Really good. Thank you. Yep. So we've decided to get out of the house for a little bit. Sorry if I blinded you. The sun's blinding me. We're at the beach. We're at the beach. Came to a quick little beach run. I know it's too cold to actually use the beach, but we're gonna show you around the beach at least. Around the area. These are little shops that they have here. They're really nice. Love a little shop. Whole family's here, so I apologize if everything from now on is a close-up or a wide shot of the beach. So enjoy.
Do we have a margarita? No, we can't have margaritas. Because they're not keto. There's that word again.
There's that word again. So cinematic, Olivia. Really learning. Look at the camera styles.
Here's your Zen moment of the day.
So over there is
Destin, and then over there is Panama City Beach, yeah. I want to use the shower.
Why do you want to use the shower?
No, not right now, but like one day. Look how calm it is. Super pretty. The sand is like cold, but it looks like sugar. We at the beach in our winter clothes. She likes the sand.
Oh, little crab.
Like, I know Daniel had a long day and we had a long night. Like, this is zen to me.
Yeah,
The beach is zen.
This is much needed.
Especially when the water's so nice and calm.
No phone calls in my ear.
Good job.
The shoes might also be throwing her off.
Yeah. Good job, moccasins.
Moccasins on a beach.
Good job, moccasins. What do you have? No, don't throw it.
Look, he doesn't even want to go near the water.
It's actually not sticking to this.
What?
Sand isn't sticking to the pants.
I'm capturing Bogey's magic. It's not sticking to the pants?
No.
What is the pant? What is it made of?
Velvet.
Is it velvet? What is that? Velvet? What is that? Velvet? She looks like a turtle getting ready to lay eggs. Just digging into the sand in a weird stance. Looks like she's about to bury her eggs. So, tips for going to the beach with the baby. 1, don't let him eat the sand. 2, bring baby powder because it'll get everything off of her. But 3, if you don't have baby powder, just velvet. Just cover her in velvet, and she should be.
Where?
Just crush it with it. Beach bag.
Well, that felt good.
That was much needed.
Yeah. Well, it was really nice to see the beach after being here for a couple days and not even seeing it. Well, I mean, driving past it we have,
I
but
haven't seen it driving past though. We can't see it because of all the dunes. We can't really see it.
well, yeah.
Unless you saw it.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
Lucky.
But we do have to go to the grocery store and pick up a couple things. It's been really hard staying on keto. There's that word again. Staying kind of on like our meal plan. Just because like when you're eating with a bunch of other people, you know, they want to eat something and you really can't, so you have to like find ways around it. Like for example, everybody last night got pizza, so we were kind of sitting there going, all right, we could eat everything off the top, but it's not really filling or enjoyable. So like we ended up making bacon, like eating it, because you know we needed something.
I'm not complaining. It was good bacon.
Yeah, it wasn't like the worst situation. It was just like it's not really what I wanted. I mean, the other thing is too, like we were just at the beach and at that place, which if you go back to like our first vlogs, you would see like some of our time there. But they have like happy hour at sundown, and their margaritas are so good. And margaritas are definitely not allowed. I feel like this is a good place to film a horror film.
Yeah,
It's like doesn't it kind of look like an African forest?
What?
You know what I mean?
No. Does it look like an African forest?
It looks like an African forest. Oh, well, that's not so much.
The random welcome center?
Yeah, right.
And the gas station?
The Tom Thumb.
Thumb Thumb?
Tom Thumb. So one thing that's tough about being here is I didn't bring my laptop because I'm an irresponsible person. And Daniel has his laptop for work. So in the evenings, after we're done with the vlog for the day, we edit the vlog on Daniel's computer, and I would write my blog post on my computer. Well, unfortunately, I don't have my computer, so it's the vlog or the blog, and we care a little bit more about the vlog.
Welcome back.
Hello.
Hello. She was just sleeping. I felt bad. Probably the most sleep she's gotten in a while.
I feel like I was just sleeping.
We're just trying to find snacks that we could possibly eat that wouldn't completely kill keto. So far, it's very hard. Like impossible. Can't find anything. There's nothing there for us.
Look, kale chips.
Oh, yay!
Y'all remember that experience?
Ugh.
Supermoon.
Well, look, it's you and the supermoon that you can't really see it.
Why can't cameras capture the moon? Tell me, science, man.
I mean, they can if you have a better camera. What's up, Mohawk baby? It's a nice mohawk you got going on.
Ain't it cute?
It's a cute mohawk. She's taking a bath with mommy.